Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start plotters and other output devices. So these are some pictures of output devices. Plotter, printer, all these are output devices. So we are going to study different output devices. What is an output device? It is a device which communicates the output of a computer to the user. Okay. First, what is output device? These are various output devices in our computer aided design system like pen plotter, hard copy unit, electrostatic plotter, computer output microfile. We can also say COM units. So these are different types of output devices. So now one by one we'll see. So again in pen plotter it is divided into two types, drum plotter and flatbed plotter. So what is a first of all what is a plotter we'll see. So plotter is a printer that interrupt common from computer to make line drawing on a paper. So it is a printer to compare with the to make computer line drawings on a paper with one or more uh, output or automatic pens. So automatic material pens are there, with that wheel, that is called plotter. So it is an printer interpreted command from computer to make line drawing on a paper with one or more automated pens. This is called a plotter draw or a concern with one point to other point directly or indirectly from vector graphics. This is called plotter. Next, what is a pen plotter? So pen plotter is nothing but it is a mechanical ink pen. It is a mechanical ink pen to write on paper through relative movement of the pen and the paper based on types of pen plotters. Currently used are flatbed plotter, drum type plotter. These are of different types of pen plotter, drum plotter and flatbed plotter. So we'll see first flat belt. First one is drum plotter is there, that we'll see. Drum plotter. What is a drum plotter? In drum plotter, paper on which the design has to be made is placed over a drum. So on the paper which we have to put the design, that will place on the drum, that can be rotated in both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Afterwards putting on the drum will rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Again, then a drum plotter is a pen plotter that wraps the paper around a drum. So the paper will be wrapped along the drum around that with a pin feed attached. The drum then rotates the paper as pens moves across it and draws the images. While the drum rotates, the picture will be drawn on the paper. This will be the images of that drum. So that is called drum plotter. So here what we are doing to the drum, we will rotate, we will wrap the paper. The drum will be with the hose. So we will wrap that paper on the drum plotter in a pen plotter that wraps to the paper around the drum with pin feed attachment. The drum then rotates the paper as a pen, moves across it and draws the images, different types of images it will draw. That is called drum plotter. Next, what is flat bed flatter? So in this, the paper and which the design has to be made is prepared and fixed over a rectangular flat bed table. So like our drawing sheet where on the table we'll put it and draw like this. That is called flat bed plotter. We all draw drawing sheets on a table, flat bed table. So like that this is also. So this paper is spread on the fixed over a rectangular flatbed table. Next, flatbed plotter is a mechanical drafting device used with many CAD programming. So on that we can use many CAD programmings also. The paper remains stationary and a flat surfaces while a pen moves across it horizontal or vertical. So paper remains stationary, only pen moves horizontally and vertically. Next, the plotter may use several different pen colors. So we can use the plotter here, not only one color, different colors also we can use to create the graphics. The size of the graphics is limited to the size of the flatbed plotter surfaces. Okay. So this is the drum picture. Next, this is flatter xyz as x bridge xy coordinates also we can find out by drawing this horizontal and vertical. Horizontal is x-axis and vertical is y-axis. Like this we can take and more expensive, it is more expensive and slow but activities. Now we go to next one. What is that next one? Hard copy device. So what is hard copy device? So this hard copy is nothing but related to the copy like Xerox copy. So here what we'll do, a hard copy unit is a machine that can be make copies from the same images. So with the same, if we put one paper which is having photo, that we can, with that we can make many papers like Xerox, many Xerox with one paper. So copies from the same images on the CRT screen. So with one, only with one images will take many prints. The copies can be used as a recorders of intermediate steps to design process. Okay. So make copies of imaginary display by CRT. CRT is nothing but cathode ray tube screen will be there on the top of the screen. That is called CRT. By exposing light sensitive paper but that light rays, the paper falls on that, the print will be, we can come out the print that we can see in the on the paper. So heated rose develops exposed paper. So when it comes out from that printer, we'll see the paper will be little bit hot. So now hard copy unit used in a light sensitive paper exposed through the narrow CRT window inside the copies. Next, the unit of particular useful when a central plotter is located some distance from the workstation. So this type of hard copies are used when the workstation is located at some other place, then we are doing the work at one place. For that purpose we can use hard copy. So these what are the in this picture, what are the parts we can see means hard copy system is there, lab system, CPU. This hard copy will also have in dry silver copier from where the paper comes out, light sensitive paper, knob is there, button to operate. So these are the parts of that hard copy unit. Next comes electrostatic plotter. What is electrostatic plotter? So this is same like a pen plotter only. These pen plotters are more accurate. Where pen plotters are more accurate but not fast enough. So they are not fast enough. Whereas hard copy units are faster but their accuracy and resolutions are poor. So pen plotter goes work with slowly, whereas hard copy we can do the work very fast but accuracy is very less. So to reduce that, we will use electrostatic plotter. So to get accuracy, we'll use this one electro plotter. So this accuracy will be 200 per inch mounted on a bar which sprays with the changes of sensitive papers. So here we having electros sensitive wire stylus bars, all this. Here see the picture. In this picture we can see sensors, wires, stylus, rollers like round shape, rotating knob, these all things are there for electroplotter. It consists of series of wires. Series of wires means in a line it will be, the wires will be in a line. Stylus mounted on a bar. Bar means that rod, on the top of the bar, a rod it will be mounted. With spans with width of the changes sensitive paper. So the with that, from that the paper will be wrapping, that the paper will be coming out. Okay. So from there we'll go to by coordinates of generating of the dots. So with this we'll get the, when the paper is wrapping, that stylus will hit the paper and some dot like will getting dot with the paper, travel the image in transformed from the database into the hard copy form. So database to, it will change database to hard copy form. Next, what is that? Computer output to microfilm or COM unit. So here this one is used for reducing reproduces drawing on micros film to the scale, has a large storage capacity, faster and accuracy. These are all the advantages of that. So what is a COM? The electronic device do not produce drawings on sheet. It does not produce drawings. Instead, there's a unit reproduce the drawings on the microfilm. So whatever the drawings are there, it reproduce that one into microfilm. These are very expensive, so we won't use much of these are because of these are very expensive and hence no widely used. It has large storage capacity is very large. A large engineering films may have tens thousands of engineering drawing to be stored. So with this we can still many storage can be kept with this COM. This microfilm can be easily retrieved and enlarged by a full size screen photos also we can make with this COM. So what is COM? Computer output microfilm. So this cost very high. So for that purpose we won't use in our daily life. Whenever it is needed, then only we'll go to that in in big companies like that to store the drawings. So this is have advantages, disadvantages also. We'll see first advantages. So what are the advantages? It has huge storage capacity. So storage capacity is very large to store them. Next, very faster. It does the work very faster than pen pen drive or pen plotter, hard copy, all these things. It is more faster than all these used in industry to maintain number of drawings. So in big industries it is maintained to store the drawings. Next, the produced a microfilm copy must faster than the plain plotter and electro plotter. Okay. Next, disadvantages. What are the disadvantages we have? So disadvantages of computer, that is COM only. Equipment is cost. So to do storage like this, first of all we'll see the equipment, how cost it is. So equipment cost is very high, quality is not good, and pen plotter as pen plotter. So like pen plotter, the quality is not good. No provision to write notes. So it does not have any to write any notes also in that. Not suitable for small medium industries. So small industries people cannot afford this much amount. So that are the drawbacks of this COM. Okay. With this we'll complete our plotters output devices. Okay. So almost all topic is we'll finished. Next class we'll see some of the software devices. Software means that importance of AutoCAD. What is AutoCAD? Hmm, computer communications. What are those? We'll see. So today class with this we'll end up. Thank you.